marked 10 years since a dozen tornadoes touched down across North Texas. The tornado spent 6 minutes on the ground in Rowlett. More than 1,000 homes and businesses were damaged. 13 people died and many more were injured. Last night, the city of Rowlett hosted a remembrance ceremony at Bluebonnet Park. Fox 4's Lori Brown takes us there.
I looked across the lake from where we lived and I could see the tornado. And so I knew it was bad.
Me and my daughter were home.
So I stepped out on the patio and I heard something before I saw something. And to me, it sounded like a big grinding machine.
10 years after a devastating tornado outbreak, North Texas residents still remember the day clearly. Jim Holt told his wife they needed to go to their safe room.
But I always kind of scoffed when they said, go to the bathroom, go to the lowest place or the middle of your home. And so she knew I was serious.
In a moment, their home was among the hundreds hit.
And they lifted our roof up 2 or 3 inches, but didn't remove it.